This fuel system cleaner is well regarded for dissolving stubborn carbon deposits in intake valves, combustion chambers, and injectors, which helps restore lost performance in older engines. Many users notice smoother idling and stronger acceleration after a single treatment, suggesting that the cleaner is effective at improving fuel atomization and combustion efficiency. It is formulated to work safely with modern fuel system components, so it can be used in both newer and high-mileage vehicles without concern for harming seals or sensors. Regular use as part of routine maintenance can help keep injectors and intake passages cleaner over time, which may contribute to more consistent fuel economy and throttle response. The product is concentrated enough that one bottle per fuel tank is typically sufficient, making it convenient to use without needing multiple treatments at once. Owners appreciate that it can be added directly to the fuel tank with no special tools, allowing a do-it-yourself approach to professional-grade fuel system cleaning.